welcome. In this video I will show you how to use all the buttons on your Garmin Edge 540. So let's start with the left side of our device. Everything is pretty simple on this side. So we have the power button to turn on or turn off our device, lock or unlock it. So we can short press to go to sleep mode. You should press it again to leave the sleep mode. And if you want to turn off your device, you have to hold this button down. And then to confirm your choice, you're going to have to press it once again. Okay, now the back key. If you want to Control Z something, if you want to undo something, press right here. Now, these two are for navigation. So navigating up or navigating down. Then this one in the top right corner is the options or OK button. So it depends on the context, but basically you will either select something or open settings or open some additional options. So as you can see, we can, for example, go to our control center, then press the options key, and this will let us navigate between different options within the control center using navigation keys. And then once we press this button once again, we'll open the selected menu, for example, settings. And yeah, and the back button will get us back. Oops. Okay, and the last two buttons we have are both located at the bottom. So here we have the play pause or play stop button, and we have the lap button or the cycle button. So if you press play, it will basically start recording your ride. Then you can pause it by pressing this button once again, or you can record a lap by pressing right here. You'll get the lap info. Now if you want to stop, you have to hold down this key for a couple of seconds. Then you can save your ride by tapping right here. You can go back, of course, by tapping back. And if you want to discard your ride, you're gonna have to press this key, scroll down, select discard ride, press OK button, and OK button once again. Okay, and so I think I've reviewed all the buttons. So that will be it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.